To configure and personalize your invoices and service orders, go to the top menu and click the gear icon. Let's start with customizing the service order. Select one of the templates, then click the Configure button next to it. Choose all the information you'd like to appear on the printed version of the service order, and then save by clicking the green Save Changes button at the bottom. You can set the layout you just customized as the default with a single click by confirming Yes. You can also choose whether or not two copies should be set as default. Next, follow the same steps for invoices. Select the Invoices section. Click Configure and choose all the details you want to include in your invoice. Then, save your changes. You can also set this template as the default and confirm the use of two copies.